This is LEGO Adventurers Set 5942, Mike's Swamp Boat from 2000 with 90 pieces and one minifigure. What you see is what you get. We get the Swamp Boat, which will not float in water, but yeah, here's the boat. It's a very simple boat. It's a 4-stud white boat. You get the steering wheel here and the propeller on the back, which spins for 360. There's no feature to play with other than the propeller, of course. And yeah, it's a simple, ineffective build, which kind of feels like a polybag build almost. And here is the minifigure. You get Mike, and these are the old brown and gray colors. And here's the slingshot. Before that even became a mode with the Simpsons, I guess it was. So that's very interesting that they waited that long to actually make a slingshot mold. But that's a very interesting fact about that minifigure. So there's the figure without the head, and then we get the very old dinosaur man. Compared to modern dinosaurs we get from the Jurassic World theme, these are petite. These are very small. You get the studs here, you get a beak, you get a very big mold, but you can't remove the head, you can't move the wings, you can't even open and close the beak, and yeah, it is what it is. I mean, compared to nowadays, man, nowadays we got it so much better with the dinosaurs, and they're very collectible if you ask me. These are a lot of fun to add to a LEGO collection for sure. This one is a nice addition for sure if you like to complete the dinosaur collection. And yeah, I think it's a fantastic little build, especially if you want the dinosaur. I think for that little money, I think it's definitely a great value for sure. And yeah, that's about it. In the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my playlist for all my LEGO Adventurers videos I've uploaded there. Also check out my website for some cool LEGO stuff I've uploaded there, and in the end screen you can find a link to another video which has been suggested by the algorithm. Plus you can find a link to another channel of mine where I'm doing LEGO content, and I will see you guys over there.